Oxidative stress is the leading cause of aging. What is it and how do we combat it?
Oxidative stress, some people use the term free radicals or reactive oxygen species. When a diabetic gets diabetic retinopathy or kidney failure, it's because they have a buildup of reactive oxygen species and advanced glycation end products, which age tissues more rapidly. We build up more oxidation or oxidative chemicals when we're consuming rancid species like cooked oils and cooked meats and things like that, and we eat bread and white flour, when we eat foods that are void of nutrients, the body can't maintain its control of free radicals. Of course, we need a continual exposure to a high amount of antioxidants and phytochemicals, and we're saying there are thousands of phytochemicals in the plant kingdom, and our brain is particularly dependent on a continual exposure to phytochemicals to maintain oxidation in the brain or a rapid aging of the brain. Muscle tissue can generate its own antioxidant effects, but brain tissue cannot. You need phytochemical exposure. And that's where we're talking about, plant variety. In other words, you don't just eat one vegetable, you eat multiple types of vegetables. Even the WHEAL study, the Women's Healthy Eating and Living study, showed that vegetables were the food that showed the most protection against cancer. But they still showed that fruits and vegetables showed more protection than just vegetables alone. And the Seventh-day Adventist Health Study too showed the same thing. Even though vegetables were the most protective, the high protein plant foods like edamame and nuts and sunflower seeds and hemp seeds had lifespan promoting effects. And adding more nutritional variety has more lifespan promoting effects as you widen your food choices, and especially as you get more plant protein in the diet, because as we age, our requirements for plant protein increase a little bit. So the trick here, the magic trick for longevity, is reducing animal protein and eating more high protein plant foods, treating your body like an athlete, especially as you age, to maintain muscle mass and muscle strength as we age, and eating those high protein plant foods like beans, like lentils, like broccoli florets, like sunflower seeds, like hemp seeds, Mediterranean pine nuts. In other words, making sure your plant diet is relatively protein rich.
What is NRF2 and how does that play a role in combating oxidative stress?
That's right. NRF2 is a transcription protein that activates the section of the cell that code for removal of toxins, cell repair, it could keep abnormal cell genetic code from being expressed. So NRF2 is our master protector. It's we're taking our DNA and we're making it work like it's supposed to be working to make us live a long time and protect us from disease. You could say NRF2 is our disease protector, and it's activated by these phytochemicals we're talking about, particularly from green cruciferous vegetables as a powerful NRF2 activator. We're talking about the isothiocyanates and green cruciferous, like broccoli and kale and bok choy and, and arugula.